Are you unable to achieve the required growth in your life? Are you unable to master that skill in which you are struggling from last 6 months? Are you unable to follow your passion? Are you unable to do a lot of things in your life? Are you unable to do the things which you always wanted to do in your life? I have gone through a lot of situations like this. I was unable to do lot many things in my life until when I get exposed to this idea which helped me a lot, which helped me to transform my complete mindset. What is that one idea which helped me to transform my mindset? If you really want to understand this, I want you to watch this video till the end. So what's up guys, this is Piyush Patel, an upcoming author of the book called Superhero Next Door, and a fellow human being who always love to inspire and help people to evolve in their life. Why we are unable to achieve the required growth? What is that one reason because of which we are unable to do a lot of things, because of which we struggle to master that skill, because of which we are unable to follow our passion? The number one reason why we are unable to do a lot of things in our life is the way we do anything is the way we do everything. I repeat, the way we do anything, the way we do anything is the way we do everything. What do I mean by that? What is the meaning of this sentence? Let me give you an example. Let's say you are struggling in learning. You are not good. Your speed is not good while learning new skills. So definitely it's gonna hamper when you are learning anything, whether it's related to sports, whether it's related to anything. If you are slow in learning, it is going to hamper, it is going to affect each and everything whatever you are learning in your life. So it's like you cannot become extraordinary in something and you can remain ordinary in everything. You have to become extraordinary in each and everything. Starts from your health, starts from your mindset, starts from your soul set. You have to master everything, because the way you do anything is the way you do everything. Just try to identify, just try to observe that how you must be behaving in majority of the situations in your life, because the same way you are going to behave while learning a new skill, while following your passion, or while chasing your success, because the way you do anything is the way you do everything. When I get exposed to this idea, my mind was blown away completely. And this sentence is written by Sifu Dan Lok. Dan Lok is one of the most amazing sales trainer. He's a self-made millionaire. I follow him like anything. So he used to say, the way you do anything is the way you do everything. So if you want to master a skill of writing, if you want to master a skill of making video, if you want to master your passion, first you have to master your mindset. You have to become master in everything. You have to become extraordinary in everything. The way you talk, the way you communicate, the way you dressed up, the way you do anything is the way you do everything. So don't ever believe that you can behave in a certain manner in this thing and you can behave in another manner in that thing. It's not at all possible, because the way you do anything is the way you do everything. I hope you could able to understand this difference between the way you do anything is the way you do everything. So try to observe in your daily routine life that how are you doing the remaining things other than your passion, other than the things which you are trying to do to achieve your success. You have to master both the ways, because you do anything, the way you do anything is the way you do everything. So this is the message of the day. I hope it has added some value to your life. This is Piyush Patel, your superhero next door, flying out until we meet again.